beautiful and bountiful, Odisha is the land of temples, rivers, waterfalls, paddy fields, and palm-fringed beaches. Formerly known as Orissa, the state has a glorious past and holds a myriad of wonders. Sri Jagannath Puri Temple. One of the most popular temples in Odisha, Sri Jagannath Puri Temple was built in the 11th century by King Indradumna. The glorious temple is an integral part of the Char Dham Yatra along with Badrinath, Dwarka and Rameshwaram. Apart from its exquisite architecture, the temple is also known for its scrumptious Mahaprasad cooked in earthen pots for thousands of devotees every day. Chilka Lake. A paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers, the Chilka Lake in Puri is the largest saltwater lake in Asia. Dotted with a few islands and fisheries, Chilka Lake accommodates a wide assortment of flora and fauna. The pear-shaped lake is one of the 2 sites in the world where the endangered Iravari dolphins can be spotted. Lingaraj Temple. Located in Bhubaneswar, Lingaraj Temple is considered to be the most ancient and largest of all the temples here. While some parts of the temple were built in the 6th century, it was renovated in the 11th century. With as many as 6,000 visitors daily, the temple with its intricately designed stone walls stands as a prime example of the Kalinga architectural style. Parashurameshwar Temple. The Parashurameshwar Temple in Bhubaneswar dates back to 650 AD and gleams of detailed artistic splendor reflecting the glorious bygone era. The most unique feature of this temple are the 1,000 lingas that are carved in the northwest corner of the complex. Konark Sun Temple. The first thing that comes to our mind when we think of Konark is the 13th century Sun Temple. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, this architectural marvel was built by Narasimha Deva I and is dedicated to Lord Surya. The temple is styled in the form of a magnificent chariot and has 12 pairs of beautifully carved massive wheels, each drawn by 7 galloping horses. Hirakud Dam. Constructed in 1956 across the Mahanadi River in Sambhalpur, the Hirakud Dam is one of the longest dams in the world. Stretching across Lakshmi Dungri Hills on the left and the Chandili Dungri Hills on the right, Hirakud Dam is the perfect vantage point for bird watchers. One of the first valley projects of India, it's home to several birds like common pochards, red-crested pochards and great-crested grebes. Puri Beach. One of the finest coastlines in East India, the sun-kissed Puri Beach with its pristine waters is the ideal spot for those seeking some solitude. It is also famous for its sand sculptures made by internationally acclaimed artist Sudarshan Patnaik. Udaygiri and Khandagiri Caves. A set of deep-cut sandstone caves, Udaygiri and Khandagiri located near Bhubaneswar are remnants of India's glorious past. The caves at Udaygiri were excavated by King Kharavela of the Mahameghavahana dynasty. The 32 caves were made for Jain ascetics, with Rani Gumfa being the largest and most beautiful one. In Khandagiri, the Ananta Gumfa has Gajalakshmi carved on the arc of the door, which Jains consider an auspicious symbol of prosperity.